All right, I've got about an hour before I have to leave and take my daughter out for her birthday, but I'm gonna see if I can find any more goodies back here. This is potentially the Civil War camp that I've found. All right, let's see what we can find. All right, first interesting find. Don't know what this is, but it was about 8 inches down. Not too far from where I found the US buckle. Clean it up and see what it is. So I had to change my frequency over to 5 kilohertz because the multi-frequency just was going crazy out here. But I just dug a 25 and it was way back in there. So I don't know if I found the other side of a buckle or maybe just a can. It looks silver. Oh my god. Oh gosh, I love this kind of stuff. Wow. Got a cool design on it. Maybe a pocket watch. That is cool. Oh my god, it's... wow. Okay, sorry y'all, I'm in awe. I'm gonna look this up. Unfortunately, I have to head back now for my daughter's birthday, but I wanted to show you guys this huge tree. Wow. It's so big. You can see my detector over there for size comparison. I love this tree. All right, until next time.